Do we only use 10% of our brains? Truth or scare? Let's find out. The 10% of your brain theory was first popularized by the 1936 self-help classic, How to Win Friends and Influence People. Back then, scientists only had one way to study brain use: zap a part of it with electricity and see if a muscle twitched. These tests showed that the human brain contained large areas of empty, unused space. Today, CAT and MRI scans paint a very different picture. We know your brain contains 86 billion specialized cells called neurons that process information, and you use almost all of them every day. Losing just 10 to 20% of your neurons would be catastrophic to your ability to think and reason. We know this because that is exactly what happens to people suffering from Alzheimer's. Scientists say if you could only access 10% of your brain, you'd be comatose. So, do we really only use 10% of our brains? 100% no. And that's the truth.